How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we took on Lance and Claire in a double battle with our rival Silver, and we defeated our rival Silver for once and for all. And in this episode, we're going to take on the Elite Four and Champion rematches. And I brought back our Pokemon, and let's see our Pokemon moveset. We have Sokka, our Heracross with close combat Earthquake, Mega Horn and Rock Slide. Earthquake and Rock Slide are teached by TMs. We have Azula, our Ho-Oh with Sacred Fire, Fly Roost, Giga Drain with the item Miracle Seed, and Sokka Hamlet Coin, Chomps with Nevermeltize, Butterfly, Ice Fang, Crunch, Rock Climb. Seiya with Expert Belt, Psychic, Morning Sun, Shadow Ball. Frieza with Leftovers, Ice Beam, Focus Blast, Charge Beam, Psychic. And Light at level 81 with Piccolo, Discharge, Signal Beam, Focus Blast and Power Gem. And yeah, let's go into the Elite Four. And yeah, I'm gonna save the game, and I'll see you guys when I save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game. Let's talk to Will. And here we go, Ethan versus Will. And we have rematch with Will. Will is gonna open this Bronzong. And the thing is with this Bronzong is he doesn't have Levitate. He had hit proof. Levitate is much better, but whatever, it helped us. So yeah. And we'll send out his Zato. Please do not miss this Rock Slide. Nice, we landed the Rock Slide, guys. And let's go. Bye bye. Okay, we'll send out his Grumpig. Let's go for Mega Horn. Mega Horn. Grumpig. Bye bye, Grumpig. Grumpiggy. And I bought Revives and Full Restores off screen. And Willy is gonna send out his Gardevoir. I use Mega Horn. And KO. And also off screen grinded against them, so I know their teams very well. Okay, Jinx. Rock Slide. Okay, we landed our Rock Slide. And KO. And we'll sending out his Slowbro. Mega Horn. Let's go. Sokka just swept you, Will. Nice. And we defeated Elite Four Will. And okay, I'm gonna save the game, and I'll see you guys when I saved the game. Okay guys, I saved the game, and let's battle Koga. And here we go, Ethan versus Elite Four number 2, Koga. And Koga is gonna open up with his Skuntank, which is a poison dark type. So yeah, our psychic type moves will not hurt it. So yeah, let's go. Earthquake. And bye bye Skuntank. And I think he will send out his Crobat. I think we'll outspeed it. Let's go. Rock Slide, KO it. No, it went for Fly. I'm gonna switch out into my Saya. I don't know how it survived it. I think I got the low roll. Oh, crit. I know it's a crit. Psychic. Bye bye Crobat. Rest in peace. I'll see you after 3,608 years. 4,680 years. And Venomoth will outspeed you and KO. Bye bye. KO. And Sai is at level 81. And Toxicroak, Psychic. And go! Let's go! Koga is gonna send out his Swallow a lot. And okay, more. Psychic. And we defeated Koga, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna heal up and save the game. I'll see you guys when I save the game. Okay guys, I saved the game. As you guys can see, nothing following me, because you'll see And here we go, Ethan versus Elite for number 3, Bruno. Bruno is gonna open up with his Hitmon top. We're gonna open up with our Azula. And Azula had fly. So he needs this counter. And fly will KO you. Hitmon top. Bye bye, Hitmon top. Peace out. And Bruno sending out his Machamp. I know he's gonna go for Stone Edge. No. And he will never miss because of his no guard ability. And yes, left earth is gonna help us. And let's go for Psychic. KO. Okay. Frieza is insane. Elite for Bruno sending out his Hariyama. Let's go for Psychic. Frieza. And Chomps and Light is gonna help us with Lance. So yeah. Lucario, I have Focus Blast for you. Please, Focus Blast. Yes, Focus mislanded. And will obliterate you. Lucario, Dracario, anything. I will do anything. Frieza is at level 81. And yeah, we are at full health now. And I want to switch out for Hitmonlee because Azula doesn't got enough screen time, so I'll switch out. Azula. Nice, you went for Swagger. Please do not hurt yourself, Azula. Okay, please snap up to your confusion, Azula. Nice. And Hitmonlee, bye bye. And we still haven't got any of our Pokemon KO'd. So that's nice if you ask me. Azula, my girl or boy. And he went for substitute. Bullet Punch. And we hurt in ourselves. I'll go for Sacred Fire. Okay. Substitute failure. Close combat. Sacred Fire. Do not miss now. Yes, we landed the Sacred Fire, guys. And yeah, we killed the Hitmonchan. And we defeated Elite for Bruno. And I'm gonna save the game and heal up our party. I'll show you guys when I heal up our party. Okay guys, I healed up our party. And yeah, let's talk to Karen. And here we go. Ethan versus Elite for number 4, Karen. And Karen is gonna open up with her Weavile, her trusty Weavile. We are gonna open up with her Sokka. And we'll go for close combat. KO the Weavile. It's 4 times weak, so KO. Should I risk using Rock Slide on the Honchkrow? Okay, I'll risk it for the biscuit. Please KO it, 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 please KO it. KO! Yo! And Elite for Karen sending out her Houndoom. Earthquake to the face and Earthquake to the legs, and you will be down. KO'd. Okay. Elite for Karen sending out her Absol. Okay. She went for Detect. Absolutely wrong. KO. And we are severely over leveled. Okay, this thing is a problem. Neutral hit. And we used every one of our move on this Elite Four. And bye bye Spiritomb. And she's gonna send out her Umbreon, my favorite evolution. And bye bye Umbreon. And I'm gonna heal up our party, and I'll see you guys when I heal up and switch up our party. Okay guys, I saved the game, and let's go into the Champions Chamber and talk, brother. I've been waiting for you. Okay, I know, Lance. And here we go. Ethan versus Lance. And yeah, let's use Power Gem on that Salamence, guys. And he outsped and went for Dragon Claw, and he got the static. And he had Lumberry. Stupid game. Stupid. And Champion Lance withdraw. Okay. Champion Lance is not playing games with us. And he'll go for an earthquake for sure. So let's go Frieza.
Chomps.
We have Ice Beam. Frieza! Okay, you got Critter. Nice. Stupid RNG. Ice Beam. And yeah, I'm saving Chomps. And yeah, I think Frieza is gonna sweep, but I'm not gonna. Let's go for Ice Beam. Charge Beam. Why did I done this? I don't know. Okay, our first ever Pokemon who got printed is Frieza, a legendary. And Nevermelta is boosted Ice Fang, I think, and we are 8 levels above you. So, as of course it will miss, because when didn't it miss? And we cannot it anyway. So, yeah. Champion Lance sending out his Gyarados, and we have light. Do not go for it, quick. Thunder Wave. Please, quick claw. Waterfall. Do not flinch me. Or paralyze me. Okay, we outspeed. I think the paralyze helped there. And bye Gyarados. This is for sure and champion level battle. We are at level 82. And sending out his Charizard. Flamethrower will absolutely destroy me. Let's send out our Chomps. Waterfall. KO it. Okay, you are 12 levels above Chomp. I think you will KO it. Yes, and it's super effective. And Chomps grew to level 81. And Lance had 2 Pokemon remain. One of is Altaria, which is at level 73, higher than Salamence. Bye Altaria, rest in peace Altaria. You are not Mega Altaria. And Lance sending out his Ace Pokemon Lash, being his level 75 Dragonite. I think this Ice Fang, I think it can survive this Ice Fang, or maybe, okay, it survived it. And it had Citrus Berry, nice. And it went for Safeguard. Unless we miss this, I think we'll win. Yes, we won. And Chomps just wrecked you. And yeah. And we got 15,000 for winning. This cutscene. Okay. Okay. We entered the Hall of Fame, guys. Okay, let's look at our team. And in the next episode is going to be finale. You can do so many things after beating Red, like catching Groudon or Kyogre, depending on your version, and getting Kanto and starters. But I'll make a bonus video on that. And we have Light at level 52, our Ampharos at level 82. And we have Azula, our Ho-Oh at level 80. We have Chomps, our Feraligatr at level 81. We have Saya, our Espeon at level 81. We have Frieza, our Mewtwo at level 81. And we have, last but not least, Sokka, our Heracross at level 81. And we officially entered the Hall of Fame, guys. And yeah, saving, don't know the power. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, which is going to be the finale. So yeah, peace out.